What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create the 3D effects into texts on Canva, all for free. To create texts like this, or just like this, all into a simple, fast and effective method. First thing, apply the text on your design, type what you need, select the entire text, go to this text color option, and enter the text, make the text the same color as the background, just like this, okay? The text is gonna be invisible, but you can click on it. You're gonna be able to see the text if you select all. And you can click on effects, okay? Once on effects, you can go to shadow. And on shadow, keep the eye on color and change the color to the effect color that you wish. For example, this one right here, okay? After selecting a color, you can play with the offset. You can play with the direction, in the case that you wish. For example, a direction just like this. Then you can change the blur effect in the case that you want. The transparency effect in the case that you want. And you are good to go. And now you have your 3D effect, all for free into a simple way. But how to create this background color like this? You need to copy the text. Let me just remove the shadow effect just like this. Let me apply some color to this text. You can copy the text and place it right here and move exactly up to the text. Now you can play with the color just like this. For example, I think, let me see, some combination. As you can see, now we have the text color and the background in 3D color. Simple, right? And in the case that you want to play with, you can change the layers, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!